Okay, let's get started. GM. Today we are live with the founder of like a Will protocol, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, excited to hear you from you like what you are building and what where do you see the gap in the market and you are trying to solve those problems. And before that, can you please share your how long you are into this Web3 market and what you are currently doing?
Okay. Thank you very much. I'm so glad to be here. So my name is Fezola, and I've been working on different aspects of Solana blockchain, and I started building as early as 2024. But I started my journey in the Web3 space by selling NFT artworks. So from there, I was introduced into the blockchain development aspects of the whole Web3. So I started from learning smart contracts. Then from there, I was brought into Super Team Nigeria. So from there, I've built a lot of projects on Solana. I've built Guardian SDK. I've built an off-ramp platform. And then here we are today, and I'm working again on Veil Protocol. And Veil Protocol is your number one privacy platform on Solana. So that is just my brief intro of how I got into the Web3 space. Thank you.
That's amazing, amazing. So, okay. So, what exactly you are trying to solve, and what are the features you are going to add in your platform? And can you please share your screen and show our audience how your product looks like and how does it work?
Okay, so let me share my screen and so I can brief people about what we are building.
Yeah,
Okay, so if you can see my screen, let me know.
yeah. Now I can see your screen.
Okay, so let me so on the brief notice about Veil Protocol. So Veil Protocol is a privacy preserving wallet infrastructure that helps you do transaction privately on Solana blockchain. So what are the problems we are trying to solve? So identity exposure, we have recovery leaks, then transaction tracking. So this is our solution. We are bringing in zero knowledge cryptography, hidden recovery, and zero knowledge into the Solana ecosystem. So briefly, let me explain some key features. You have a bank account, and if I get your bank account number, I cannot track um, any of your transaction or how much you have. But on the blockchain, it's not possible. I can get anybody's wallet address. I can track them. I can know how much they have and and who they are sending to, which I think is not proper. So I believe we are meant to have a proper privacy layer that helps people do anything they want on the blockchain without revealing their identity or who they are. So that is why we are building this privacy protocol. You can send money privately, you can receive money privately, you can vote privately, you can stake your money privately, you can do anything you want to do privately without anybody tracking or knowing who you are. So we have the demo. So right from the demo, we have different layers of things we've built already. So we have the identity. So when I click on the identity, so I have to connect my distinct wallet to do this. So it's going to take a time because of the Solana, because of Phantom layout. So then we have private DeFi where you can stake money anonymously, you can do anything you want. Then we have anonymous voting. You can vote for you can vote yes or no privately without revealing the person who votes. Then we have private recovery. Instead of losing your private key, and that is the end for you, we have a system whereby you can actually create a perfect recovery phase without depending on your private key. So that is another thing we are we are also building. Then we have private gaming accounts. We have credential transfer. You can send files anonymously across blockchain, private staking. Then we have private pool. We have confidential transfer. Then we have ZK, KYC compliant. Then we have anonymous ramp. So that is basically the demo of what we are offering. So when we come back and look at our SDK, so from here we explain how developers can integrate our SDK into their platform. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Hello.
you. Yeah, I can hear you. Seems
Okay.
very interesting.
Oh,
Yeah, please go on.
yeah. So from this SDK, we help developers on the Solana blockchain. So they don't have to go through the stress of trying to look for for anything. So they just copy this, then go to their CLI, just npm install Veil protocol. So Veil protocol install everything they need from the pages to the whole this thing, um, com, um, components. It installs everything for them without having to bother write all the code and everything. So this npm has already been pushed out, and it is already been published already. So these are the whole SDK that we have. Like everything is live. Then we have JavaScript, we have Rust, then we have Python, we have everything. Then we have our CLI info and everything people need to understand. Then we have audio documentation for if you want to read more and everything. Then we have the white paper of what is coming, what we've done, and what we are still planning to do. Then over here we have different features of what we're trying to build. Then we have the signing, then we have to get started, everything way. So you don't necessarily need to have an account. So you can just so we built this purposely for every Solana blockchain, either wallets, apps, dApps, DeFi, anything you are building and you want a proper security. This is the perfect place for you to be, and this is the perfect protocol for you to use to integrate privacy into your project on Solana. So that is just a brief introduction of what. So right now we are still on DevNet. We are still on DevNet because we are waiting for the proper time to go into mainnet. Because right now we still have to upgrade, do some changes, do some advancements before we can move into mainnet, just to avoid losing money and making people to lose their money. So that is what, and we are trying as much as possible not to have a back end for this project. So just everything to push on chain and everything is well recorded. So thank you very much. That's my time explaining about Veil protocol.
Wow, sounds amazing. And the way you have mentioned the roadmap and white paper is well maintained. So definitely our community can explore about your product and the roadmap. That's amazing to know you are solving this issue, and that's very common issue in this market. So definitely a lot of our community members would love to explore it. Okay, that's all from our end, and wish you all the best for your launch, and hope we will meet you in next week or in next few days. Okay, keep building.
All right.
That's a great product. A great solution you are solving. That's amazing, amazing. Keep building. Okay.
All right. Thank you
Okay.
very much. I really do appreciate the time.
Yeah. Do you have anything to share with us apart from this, or do you have any questions to our community?
Okay, the only question I want to ask is I don't know if the launch date will be sent across to me because I don't know when that is going to happen. So, but I believe if there is any other further information